Welcome, Chicago Park District.
Hey everyone, my name is Justin Boats with Inferno Mobile Youth Arts Program, and today I'm super excited to introduce you to teaching artist Sara Goodman, who's going to show you how to make incredible 3D landscapes using 3 very powerful iOS apps.
Hello, so today I want to teach you how to make 3D landscapes using 3 apps. And right now I've just taken you to my Instagram here just to kind of show you what is possible. So all of the images that you're seeing right now, they've all been made with just 3 apps that you can easily download to an iPhone. The apps are called Glitché, Union, and Matter. And so they cost a little bit of money, but not that much in the scheme of things, and they're pretty powerful apps. So I'm going to show you in just a second how to make a 3D landscape. So you first want to go into Glitché here. So that's going to pull up. And you want to go into Photo Editor. And you're just going to go and pick any photo from your phone. So I picked this recent one of myself. And you're going to go to Scene. That's the filter there. And it creates this nice like topography kind of landscape situation where you can create this sort of foreground of your landscape. And you can play around, invert it, choose the glass option, and you can use your fingers on the touch screen to get it how you want. So here's my landscape. So I'm gonna save that to my camera roll. And then I'm gonna go into Union and press New. And when I press New, my camera roll will pop up and just bring that photo that you saved from Glitché into Union. So here we go, here's my camera roll. And actually in the background, I'm gonna pick, sorry, my mistake, you wanna pick a different picture for your background. So for your background, something naturey. And for your foreground, the topography picture from Glitché. And then you're going to go to Erase and pick the mask option. And I'm going to use not the magic wand, but the erase image to get a nice kind of just softer edges. The magic wand is good at times, but I like leaving a little bit of black space there. I think it looks nice. And after you have it as you want, you're going to go to the 3 bars on the upper left side, save it to your camera roll, and now we're going to go into the app called Matter. So go into Matter, and there again, you can start fresh, going into your camera roll, taking the one that we just created, and here a bunch of 3D objects will populate on the bottom, and you can go to Style to change the style on the bottom. So I'm going to save that. And I'm going to go back into Glitché to kind of give it a grain effect that I like using an effect called Camera. So we're going back into Glitché where we started, going all the way to the filter on the bottom, which is Camera. Bring it to the right, and with your finger, you'll just touch it and it'll create these ripples, and then wait for it to come back into focus. And I just like that nice grain, kind of gives us this nice processed effect. And then save that. Little arrow on the right allows you to save. And that's it. And check out Tangla Landscapes on Instagram for more inspiration. And yeah, just get lost and experiment all three apps have a lot of capabilities and kind of infinite what you can do. This is just one little thing that you can do to make some cool landscapes.